Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you how to add admin or member on your Facebook page. To do so, first of all, what you need to do is open your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your Facebook. Then hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you hit on the menu button, on the top, you will see a menu button again. Simply hit on that icon. From there, you have to select your Facebook page in which you want to add admin or members. From here, again hit on the menu and go to the professional dashboard. Now scroll down a little bit. There you will see an option of see more for tools. Hit on that and then hit on the people with Facebook essays and hit on add new. Hit on next. From here, search for the name of the particular person and choose them as an admin or a member. So in this very easy step, you can easily add an admin on your Facebook page. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.